Hello to our page followers. Today we're here with another exciting tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to make a handheld fan using a laptop fan. In this tutorial, I'm using a replaced fan from a gaming laptop. Usually, these fans lose their required performance for the sensitive CPU over time, especially in gaming laptops where the chip is under high load. But they're still powerful enough for everyday use and can be repurposed. As you can see in the picture, according to the specification on the fan, it operates at 5 volts and 0.5 amps. Before we start, we clean the fan a little. With a bit of pressure, the metal and plastic parts can be easily separated. Then using an old toothbrush, we thoroughly clean the fan. I always keep my old toothbrushes in my toolbox, and they come in handy for cleaning various components. After cleaning, carefully reassemble the two parts of the fan. Now let's move on to the fan's wiring. As seen in the image, 4 wires come out of the fan and go into a connector. We're not using the connector, so we cut the wires near it. Usually in CPU fans, the black and brown wires are positive and negative, and the other two are for speed control. Therefore, we only deal with the 2 power wires. Carefully strip the ends of both wires. Here, I'm using a single-ended USB cable I had. If you don't have one, you can get it cheaply from online stores. Using a wire stripper, we strip the wires. If you're a follower of our page, you've probably seen the video where we made this wire stripper. If not, the link is provided above. Note that I don't make these tools just for videos. They are all in my toolbox and I use them. Inside USB wires, there are usually 4 strands. The red and black wires are positive and negative. Strip the wires. Insert 2 pieces of varnish inside, then connect the red wire to brown and black to black. I applied a little soldering flux for better soldering. Then solder the wires. Slide the varnish over them and heat with a lighter to secure. Just like that, the fan wiring is complete. Now let's test it. I'm using a 5-volt power bank, but most phone chargers also provide 5 volt, so you can use them. The current can go up to 2 ampere, but more than that is not recommended. Older phone chargers are ideal. Just make sure they're 5 volt. After connecting, the fan works perfectly. Next, we'll make the fan stand. First, gather the wires and secure them to the fan surface with tape. Then, using wire cutters, remove the plastic fan legs and place the aluminum legs on the fan body to hold the fan parts together. Now we'll make a fan cover. I'm using a plastic chocolate box lid, but you can use anything you like. Place the fan on it and mark with a marker. Using a cutting machine, carefully cut the pieces. Two pieces are ready. Place them on paper. Mark them again. Then lightly oil the surfaces. After oiling, mark the air intake areas and cut them. Then place them on the fan cover and mark and cut the top covers. Once the plastic covers are ready, wrap them with canvas. After drying, glue them to the fan with hot glue and let it set. Now for the fan base, I'm using an empty effervescent tablet can. Open the lid, mark the diameter for the fan and cover, then cut above 1 cm as shown in the image and place the fan inside. Some can edges overlap the fan intake. Mark and cut them. Cut the bottom for the USB to pass through and remove extra parts. After passing the wire, place the fan in position and glue it with hot glue. Now the fan is ready, but for extra aesthetics, I wrapped the can with black yarn. You can use any cover you like. As you can see, the fan is ready. For the final test, I collected some dry leaves to show the fan's power. I'm using the same power bank again, but any 5-volt charger works. Since this fan came from a gaming laptop, it has high speed and strong airflow, easily blowing the leaves around. You can use this fan to clean electronic parts, computer case components, fan fires, or even to cool yourself in the hot season. In short, we turned a discarded fan into a very useful household tool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe to our page for more tutorials. We also look forward to your comments. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.